Hi folks, this is Vicki from patternprincess.com. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be talking to you and showing you a quick little demonstration on how to do double crochet two together. Normally you're going to see it as an abbreviation of DC and then the number 2 and then usually a capital T and then a 0, or I should say an O and a G. So it's double crochet two together. So I have a couple rows of double crochet here. This is just normal double crochet. And I'm going to show you how to do that. That stitch is normally used when you want to decrease the number of stitches in a row. Right now I have 10. So let's just say we're going to start off, I'm going to start off with our normal chain 3. So I'm going to do a chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over. And let's say I'm going to do the next 2 stitches, I'm going to do a double crochet 2 together. So I've yarned over, like I'm going to do my normal double crochet. You go into your stitch like you normally would, yarn over, bring it through, yarn over and bring it through the 2 loops, and then you leave this loop on the hook. You have the initial loop from that initial chain 3 here, and then you have this next loop. You're going to yarn over again, go into that next stitch, and yarn over, bring it through, yarn over, go through the 2 loops. So you're kind of like doing half the double crochet process. Do you see that? That half stitch is done. But now we have the 3 loops on here. Now we're going to yarn over and go through all 3 loops. So now we have done a decrease. Okay, and oftentimes when we're working on a decrease, you're not necessarily going to decrease each one. It's often incrementally. So like normally you're going to, a lot of times you're going to see like the next one be a normal double crochet. We'll do that. And then you can see the difference. See, normal double crochet. And let's say we're going to do double crochet 2 together right here. We're going to do that again. We're going to yarn over, go through 2 loops, bring it through, yarn over, bring it through the 2 loops, yarn over, go to the next stitch, yarn over, bring it through the loop, yarn over through 2 loops, and make sure you get all the little yarns on your hook, and then yarn over through all 3. And I'm going to do another just regular double crochet, and then we'll look at the row and see how it looks. So regular double crochet, then I'm going to do 2 more double crochet 2 together right here. So yarn over, go through the stitch, bring in your yarn, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go to the next stitch, yarn over, bring it through, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and yarn over, go through all 3 loops. And then in order to finish this row, there's still 1 stitch here. I'm just going to do a double crochet. So if we were working a hat, for instance, where you need to decrease, this is a great little pattern to start to decrease. So you can see now that this is starting to be smaller than here. We have 1 stitch here, 1 stitch for this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's because we have clusters here. This is a double crochet, double crochet, double crochet 2 together, double crochet 2 together, double crochet, and a double crochet 2 together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you know, so you would count those 2 double crochet together as 1 stitch then. So now if I did this again, let's say we do it again, you're going to see how if you're going to, I don't know, you could make a candy cane or a candy corn out of this, with one of those for Halloween. So I just do my normal chain 3 here, and I'm going to do a double crochet 2 together in the next 2. This would be a cute way to do that. There we go. And a normal double crochet right here. And it goes pretty quickly, and I'll show you again. Double crochet 2 together. And you're really going to be able to notice it on this row. How it's really decreasing the size. Because we'd only have like maybe another row or 2 to go, and we would be down to one double crochet stitch left. There we go. And let's take a look at this. See how it's getting even smaller? And it just gets smaller and smaller and smaller. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one we would have 3. The next one, right? And the next one we'd have 1. So two more rows we'd be to a little peak, and we'd have a little triangle. So that is how you do double crochet two together. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Happy crocheting. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.